Hi, I'm Ansley Mouche, Master Cosmetologist with Salon 27. Today I'm going to show you how to use a V-shaped makeup brush. I'm going to be using a medium-sized V-shaped brush today, which is good for applying blush. You can also use a small V-shaped brush for applying eyeshadow or a large V-shaped brush for using foundation or bronzer. Just going to run the brush across the blush. Start at the smile big for me. Start at the apple of her cheek and go towards the temple on both sides. And just keep applying until you get the desired color. Okay. I'm Ansley Mouche with Salon 27, and I showed you how to use a V-shaped makeup brush.